Hello, kids! Today we will learn 3 magic words. And, but, or. These words help us join sentences. We use and to add things together. I have an apple and a banana. I like milk and cookies. The boy is holding a ball and a kite. I have a pencil and a book. We use but when something is different or opposite. It is hot, but I am wearing a jacket. I want ice cream, but the shop is closed. I am tired, but I am playing. It is raining, but I am happy. We use or when we choose between things. Do you want a ball or a car? Do you like a dog or a cat? Do you want juice or water? Shall I play inside or outside? Now let's try.
And I like cats and dogs. Or let's read a book or draw a picture. But I'm tired, but I'm playing.
Wow, great job, kids! Today we learned and adds things, but shows difference, or gives choices. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you in the next video with Amazesphere Kids.